Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Got a request for a small birthday gift. They just wanted 1 to 2 items that were kind of small. So I put together this birthday gift that I think will pack a punch for them. It is very cute. I used the birthstone bears and just some simple hand lotion to put this birthday box together. So it is a small gift and the client is happy with it. So I'm just going to show you how I put it together. This is for a May birthday. Here we go.
Switch on this. Give me how we make a ginger. Baby, let me be your healer. Baby, your man, I no go for your hand, yo. Call on me, I go answer. And anytime when I enter, slow mo, you know the matter. Big boy, I know the para. When I enter, you go feel love. I no go jogo for your matter. If you leave, I go para. Nobody will do me like you do me. Jogo for your matter. Girl, if you gonna go para. And I want no other lady but you in my life. Give me overdose. Overdose loving. Overdose loving. Give me overdose. Dose loving. Overdose loving. Dose me, which I love it. Baby girl overdose me, which I love it. Overdose me, which I love it. Baby girl overdose me, which I love it. Overdose me, which I love it. Baby girl overdose me, which I love it. Overdose me, which I love it. Baby girl overdose me, which I love it. Pretty girl, she find the Naya. Her body sweet, she's like Delilah. She told me things I can't deny. Body be like when I lay, and she soft on top. Frida she do me goosebumps, squat. Everything you make me want some more, oh nah. Baby, give me some sugar. I go jogo for your matter. If you leave, I go para. Nobody will do me like you do me. Go jogo for your matter. Girl, if you gonna go para.
So that's our May birthday gift that we put together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.